Spider Eye 2024 Roarer H200, the integrated spraying and transport drone. High capacity, heavy payload, safe and reliable. Maximized efficiency. A high-performance drone integrating spraying and transport functions. Boosts farm operation efficiency. Increases yield and income while expanding into transport application scenarios. Features a foldable 8-axis design. Quick detachable arms and landing gears. Greatly reduces operational costs. Quick deployment. Highly efficient operation. Equipped with 56 propellers and powerful engines. Utilizes only 56% throttle to carry 100 kilograms for flight operations. 92-liter spray tank capacity. Comes with 4 centrifugal nozzles. Adjustable droplet size from 60 to 400 microns. Effective spray width of 8 to 20 meters. Covers 33 hectares per hour. High-flow dual pumps. Maximum flow rate of 24 liters per minute. Strong penetration power. Dual external filtration system, effectively preventing clogging while spraying. Also expert in material transport. 100 kilogram payload. 14x zoom gimbals. Primary and auxiliary power contactor design. Drone compartment cooling system. Safe and stable flight in high-temperature environments. Maximum transport speed of 20 meters per second. 10 kilometers transport radius. Supports cabin transport, hoisting, and drop release in various scenarios like field transport, forest logistics, material deployment, and more. Quick disassembly. Efficient loading. Triple satellite positioning. GPS, BeiDou, GLONASS with real-time automatic switching. 1080p FPV camera. Equipped with bright LED night lights. Provides real-time HD images. Efficient operation day and night. Equipped with front and rear obstacle avoidance radars and terrain-following radar. Ensures safer and more stable flights. 5.5-inch ultra-bright screen remote control. Built-in ground station operations. Real-time voice broadcasting. 5 kilometers remote control distance. Highly integrated flight control system. Supports one-button takeoff, low battery return, low liquid alarm, and breakpoint resumption. Supports fully automatic, AB point, and manual operation modes. Dual battery system. 9 kilowatts high-power charger. Supports fast charging of 2 batteries. Charges fully in just 15 minutes. Enables continuous operation. This is Spider Eye 2024 Model H200, your flying workhorse.